Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to work with the text document inside of your project. And when you are in your project screen, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll note that we have already created or started creating a text document. We can edit that document by clicking on it. That'll then bring us to the edit screen. And we can write any content that we want inside of this document. And all we'll have to do is to click the Edit This Document. That'll give us the WYSIWYG editor, and then we can write in whatever changes that we want to make. Now once you've written in everything that you want to have in there, you can make any changes that you want to make, and then you can save the changes. Now this document will then be permanently part of your project. Now the other people that are part of your project, they can work on the document also. For example, as we are logged in with the other individual, we can go into the project area, we can go into the project, and then we can scroll down to the very bottom, and then we can have access to the same document. We can click on this document and edit this document, and we can make any changes that we need to make also. So then whatever changes are made by the other individuals on your team, that will become part of this document. They will then save their changes, and this document can then be worked on in real time. And as you can see, this document is being worked on by one individual as well as another individual, and all of the changes are being saved and reflected in real time. And as a team, you can create as many text documents as you want, as well as have other team members to create those documents. So the other team member that we're working with, they can create their own document. And then as they're working, they can make any corrections, and then they can save them. That then becomes part of the project. And then as administrator, when we go back to our screen, we'll also have access to the very same document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.